This is Judy. Welcome to Pursuit of Functional Home Beauty Edition. So this is my first makeup tutorial, and I created two looks in one video. So I have the daytime look and the nighttime look. I hope you're gonna like this look. So I'm just using simple palette today. So I just used this one. So it's just a natural palette from Silky Girl. It's been with me for quite a while already. The other half of my face, I haven't done any makeup yet. I already put foundation. So my foundation is L'Oreal True Match, and then I use my foundation brush from Body Shop. So now I'm going to put this primer is just from Body Shop. Matte skin primer, matte, just to make sure the eyeshadow stays longer. Okay. Then this one is from, I'm gonna use this palette. This one is from Silky Girl Blockbuster Color Palette. So my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Okay. Then from the palette, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to put it here and then just below my eyebrow, so the whole eyelid. I'm just using the same brush. I'm gonna take this I'm gonna use it to my, I'm gonna apply it on my crease, sorry. Just bring it from the inner, from the outer corner and bring it just inside. From the outer corner, then I'm just going to bring it I'm just using a blending brush from e.l.f. I'm just going to blend all the colors. I'm gonna put this at my upper and lower lash lines. Okay. Take this again just to highlight this. with this crayon brow from Maybelline. The color is gray. Okay, but first I'm going to brush my eyebrows with e.l.f. eyelash and brow wand. Okay, and then I'm going to lift my eyebrow to create slight arc, and then fill all the spaces. There, it's not perfect, but just making sure that it looks at least almost 100% the same. And then I'm gonna use the same pencil to draw a line in my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the eyeshadow from the palette, the bronze color, and then I'm gonna put it on my nose, the side of my nose, just to create an illusion that I have taller nose, taller and thinner nose. There, and then I'm gonna take the blush, sorry, and then I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Then I'm going to get this lipstick. And then I'm gonna put some shimmer in my inner duct, tear ducts, so just to open my eyes a bit, and just spread it. And then I'm gonna set everything using my Everbalana makeup press powder. I'm using a fan brush. And then I'm using false eyelashes number 6 that I bought from Daiso, a $2 store here in Singapore. It's very natural, so I like it. And here we go. This is the final look, finished look. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up of this video. So here's the picture. I'm going please stand by for our next clips. I'm going to show you how to make this look into an evening look. If you want to make this as evening look, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to take my eyeliner brush, then I'm just going to take this one here. This is from NYX Smokey Look collection. To get my smudge brush, I'm just gonna smudge all the lines under my lashes, and then I'm going to get my pink blush from NYX collection and just going to put it on my cheeks. I'm gonna take this red lipstick here. Using my e.l.f. bronzer, I'm going to contour the sides of my face.
and then at the side of my ear and then forehead, and then bring it down below my chin because I have double chin, so I'm trying to hide it. Evening look. So if you like this video tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And then all the makeup, the brushes, and all the details about this makeup tutorial, you can check my blog. And then the music is by Yuki Murata. Let's go to Neverland. See you next time. Goodbye.